how are investment accounts divided up during a divorce? Well, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues right here in the state of Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Suppose you have stocks and bonds and mutual funds. How do you divide those? Well, number one, those are going to be marital property. It could be 100% marital because it was bought during the marriage, or it could be partially marital because some of it was bought before. But the general proposition, investment accounts are marital property. What does that mean? That means that we're going to have to figure out what they're worth. Valuation of that property may be necessary. Now, if it's a property that's bought after the marriage, if it's a fund that's bought after the marriage, for example, paid $1,000 for it, we can look up today and see it's worth $3,282. Okay, so we know that's the value, and we can split that value. The court might order that the item be sold and split. The parties may be able to avoid the triggering tax eventuality of selling it and taking the profit by saying, you know what, you keep this one, they'll keep that one. We won't sell any of them. We'll just sort of trade them off, and we'll reconcile if there's a deficiency by personal check or something, and we'll do it that way. That way there's no tax triggering event that would otherwise occur if we simply liquidated it. You liquidate it, you might have to pay capital gains for long and short-term gain. So to avoid that, that may be a better way to do it. Accounts can be divided in that way to avoid the expense of the liquidation. And how do we do that? Well, you can do it by agreement. That is to say, the husband and wife can get together and say, okay, I have a 401k plan, you have a 401k plan, they have the same amount of money in it, you keep yours, I'll keep mine. Or the other way around, husband's plan has $100,000, hers only has $75,000. She's short $25,000, right? If you're letting him keep his, he's got $25,000 advantage. So what do? We make it up in some other way. Maybe she keeps all the furnishings. Maybe she gets the better car. Maybe he takes on $25,000 of the debt to compensate for what extra he owes her. There's all sorts of ways to tweak it, and the court will make every effort to give the parties some guidance in this, or encourage the attorneys to creatively figure out a solution to equalize these assets. If you have questions about your assets, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248